This DEWALT 20-volt max cordless combo kit offers everything you need for DIY projects. The 2-speed drill driver produces up to 2,000 RPM for tackling a range of fastening and drilling applications. And the 1/4-inch impact driver with convenient one-handed loading uses 1-inch bits for versatility and ease of use. The circular saw's motor delivers power, strength, and speed for tackling those more demanding cuts. The reciprocating saw with a keyless lever-action blade clamp makes blade changes a breeze, saving time on the job. Two 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries power the tools, and their convenient LED fuel gauge lets you keep an eye on status so you know when it's time to recharge. An LED work light makes it easy to finish tasks even after dark, while the Bluetooth speaker plays your favorite tunes while you work. With a soft case for storage, the DEWALT 20-volt max cordless combo kit has everything you need for a job well done.